Our business started in 1983 as a family business, and we started as a retail store, grew into wholesale, grew into manufacturing, grew into distribution. And all this time we needed a bigger and bigger system to figure out how we're going to make this work. When we found SAP, it was a big deal for us. Working with SAP really helped us develop and grow.
We started our e-commerce base with FocusPoint that talks directly to SAP. We can see inventory live, and it really helps on the sales side for our customers to see what we have on hand. Big improvement for us and relationship with the customers. SAP has been very helpful to control inventory. I believe that in technology, there's a few things that makes life very easy. SAP has one of the reports that with the click of a button, you can drag and relate and have reports in seconds, so we can make better decisions.
Without SAP, there's no way to keep track of this much inventory. Our inventory levels are somewhere in the 4.5 million just on our wholesale business. So SAP helps us track from the time that orders come in to creates demand in the system, and then takes us all the way through our purchasing process. It helps us with our pricing, and then it flows, again, our inventory management system. Everything's in SAP, everything, all the way through until we invoice the customer and receive payment. So everything flows through SAP.
So once we had SAP, it changed our lives, and we became more efficient, and therefore we became more profitable. Our customers, more and more in this technology age, they want to know now. If it wasn't for SAP Business One and our partnership with FocusPoint, we could not get it done fast enough. We would lose those sales.
SAP has just so many opportunities to grow and develop. It's very, very customizable. The reporting is easy, and you can add your own custom reports. That makes it easy to grow and develop your business and customize a system like SAP, as big as it is, customize it to small business. That's been really great for us. And FocusPoint really helped us step into the next level of e-commerce, and that integration has been pivotal for us in terms of helping us grow, develop, and stay organized. As we grew into developing with SAP, our business grew as well.